Okay, so now we'll listen to Shrimata ji's speech. अब हम श्रीमाता जी की वाणी सुनेंगे, अमृतवाणी.
The child a master. And the motherhood in any guru, whether male or female, can only make the disciple a guru. So first, you have to become the prophets and develop that motherhood within yourself. Then you can make others also prophets. And if you ask them, they say, Mother, I loved you very much. So they think if they loved me, then it is my duty that I should really keep you clean. That's not the attitude of a guru. What guru does is to purify himself and others and give those flowers to the deity. Till you all become gurus, I am your guru. But once you become the guru, then I become your deity. Now the higher stage is that your guru becomes a deity. Where you say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara. They go up to that point, but nobody says Guru is Devi. You can have a higher stage than Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha. Because the Guru state is where you have the innocence of all this Brahma and Mahesha and Vishnu. The power of innocence. But then ultimately they say Guru Sakshat Parabrahma. And Parabrahma is the power.
Brahma.
But how?
Comment?
Not only by becoming,
Pas
but now becoming the reflector of your deity. To develop yourself into the reflector from Guru to that state. At that state you start controlling all the elements. That's why all these incarnations of Adi Guru had control over elements. Today I bless you. I have completed the 12 years of Gurus. And you should really assume the Shiva's powers within yourself. That is my body, my mind, my heart.
le corps, le mental, le cœur,
Everything
toute chose.
has spared no efforts to completely indulge into this cleansing, into this making, into this becoming of you people. I request you now
Maintenant,
that please do not waste my effort. Look at yourself, help yourself, and
Aidez-vous.
try to rise higher and higher,
Yes.
to become yourself. When you become yourself, then you become the Guru. And once you become the Guru, you become Brahmadeva, Mahesha and Vishnu. So first you are made in the pattern of Ganesha, then Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha. But very much depends on your readiness to do it. And most of all, your honesty and sincerity. I hope Sri Ganesha will give you the wisdom to understand. The Shakti will give you Shakti to work hard. And Shiva will give you joy. Sadashiva will give you the joy so that you proceed in your establishment. May God bless you.
que Dieu vous bénisse.
चित्त को शस्त्रार पर रखते हुए 2 मिनट के लिए ध्यान में बैठेंगे. जय श्री माता जी। धीरे धीरे अपनी आंखें खोलकर हम दोनों हाथ हृदय लेवल तक लाएंगे और परम पूज्य श्री माता जी को धन्यवाद कहेंगे। So now we can open our eyes and we'll say thank you to Shri Mata ji. We'll raise both our hands till the level of our heart. परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आज का ध्यान करवाने के लिए आपका कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद माँ। थैंक यू श्री माता जी फॉर टुडेज मेडिटेशन। श्री माता जी, यदि हमसे कोई भी गलती हो गई हो तो उसके लिए आप हमें क्षमा कर दीजिए। श्री माता जी, प्लीज फॉरगिव अस फॉर एनी मिस्टेक। एंड नाउ विल टेक कलेक्टिव बंधन। सामूहिक बंधन लेंगे। ये ध्यान सत्र यहीं पर समाप्त होता है।